you? I'm fine, thank you. It's nice to see you. It's nice to see you too. Hello, hello. It's a wonderful day to learn and play. Here at iKid, we just want to say, are you ready for some fun today? I am ready for some fun today.
Hi Daddy, Mommy and children. Today we're going to learn about following directions.
I wonder whether I know how to cook. I know, first of all, I'm going to put on my apron so that I will not dirty my shirt. I'm going to make dry mee-hoon. I'm going to have water. I saw my mommy, I think it's just drop the noodle inside. No? Oh! You mean I have to on the fire first? Let me on the fire first. Wow! I have the fire here! Please don't use your finger and touch. Mommy told me that I must put water first into the pot. I think my mommy said that I'm supposed to put the noodle inside like this. No? Why? Oh, I need to make sure the water is boiling first. Can you see the water is boiling right now? Wow, it's boiling. I can take up the lid. But it's so hot. You mean I need a cloth? Wow. I can put in the noodle. And I can put in the veggie. Why? I need to wash this first. Okay, I have washed the veg and put it in. I have the egg. No? Oh, I need to crack this. Okay. Children, it's very important for us to follow instruction in anything that we do, because without instructions, we do not know what is the next step to do. Until we are very familiar and remember the steps, then we will not need any more instructions from any books. So remember, follow instructions.
Daddy, Mommy, this is the time that you can pause the video and discuss with your child which area that they can improve or do better in terms of following directions. Put your left hand in, left hand out, left hand in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. You put your right hand in, right hand out, right hand in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. You put your both hands in, both hands out, both hands in and you shake it all about. You do your hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. You put your whole self in, whole self out, whole self in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. You put your both hands in, both hands out, both hands in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about.
Preposition: on, in, above, behind, between, in front of, under, near, beside. Preposition:
Math, separate.
We're going to have some beans here. Parents, you can use anything here. I actually have peanut, red beans, and also soybean. Any beans at home will do. I also have salt here. I'm going to play. Oh yes, you have to use that and shake. Put the beans here. Make sure the salt is lesser. You're going to shift out. What happened? What is left over here?
Beans.
Well done. What is left here?
Salt.
Because this is smaller, this is bigger, and this one couldn't get through the sieve. You want to play one more time? Okay, hold this. I'm going to put the salt in.
Story time. Why should I listen? Why should I listen? Written by Claire Llewellyn and illustrated by Mike Gordon. I can hear wonderful things when I really listen. A beautiful songbird, a grasshopper on the lawn, or the crunch of freshly fallen snow. But sometimes I find it hard to listen. It's often when I am really busy watching TV. Could you please answer that door? Playing with friends? Let the dog in, Joe. Diving for sunken treasure. Joe, come out of the bath now! Or flying a rocket to the moon. Are you joining us for gym, Joe? Some people ask, why should I listen? Well, not listening can get you into trouble. What do you think happened when I went to the museum and I didn't listen to my teacher? Everyone back here at 3 p.m., please. Help! Where is everybody? And what do you think happened at Isabel's party because I didn't hear a word she said? We are going to the pool. Remember to bring your bathroom suit. Cool. Luckily, we have a spare bathing suit. And just the right size too. Wow, it's you. Do you want some string, Joe? And guess what happened to my sister last summer when I didn't listen to my mom? Watch Laura for me, Joe. Joe, look at Laura. Is that better, darling? I hate it when people don't listen to me. It makes me feel lonely. Can I have a turn? And invisible. 6 frosted donuts, please. Excuse me. It's as if nobody thinks about me. I told them the concert finished at 3 p.m. or is interested in my life. I had a terrible day today. Oh, did you, dear? So now, when someone is talking, I try very hard to listen. Who can bring something for the nature table? Great, Joe. Thank you. It means that I usually get things right and pick up the things that I need to hear. Watch that wet paint, Joe. You need your gym shoes tomorrow. Don't let the cat out, Joe. Buy yourself some ice cream. Here's the money. Yes, Mom. The end. Children, do you listen to your parents, to your teachers, or to your friends most of the time? Okay, do your best to listen. Water table measuring.
Goodbye, goodbye. We shall meet again. Goodbye.